Please use this meditation with caution. It is extremely powerful. Use this meditation only if you are serious about your specific person, because you might get very sick of them with the amount of attention they are going to give you after listening to this. So do not say I didn't warn you. Now let's begin. They are obsessed, not just wanting, not just needing. They are starved, completely broken by their craving for me. They can't think straight. I live in their mind, haunt their dreams, make them lose all sense of reality. They wake up aching for me. They go to sleep drowning in thoughts of me. They crave my warmth, my body pressed against theirs, my breath fawning over their skin, my lips grazing their neck. It drives them insane. They melt when I touch them. Just one brush of my fingers and their mind goes blank. Their body shudders. Their knees weaken. They're helpless against the way I make them feel. They can't stop kissing me. It's not soft, not sweet. It's hungry, messy, desperate. Hands gripping my face, pulling me closer, moaning into my mouth because they need me like they need air. Their lips chase mine even when I pull away. They look at me like I am their salvation. They don't just want to touch me, they want to devour me. They want to claim me and make sure everyone knows I'm theirs. They worship my body. They can't sleep without feeling my body against theirs. They crave me constantly. Their skin tingles. Their body aches. Their mind races. Always desperate. Always yearning. Always addicted. I am the only one who can satisfy them. No one else, nothing else, only me. They belong to me, mind, body, and soul. I own them. Their sanity, their pleasure, their obsession, all mine. They are mine forever, completely, entirely. They will never stop needing me. They will never stop craving me. They can't breathe, can't think, can't function without me. Every second apart feels like their body is shutting down, their mind snapping at the seams. They don't just want me. They need me, they crave me, ache for me in ways that make them feel insane. Every breath they take is a wasted one if it's not inhaling my scent. Every touch that isn't mine feels like poison. They dream of me. They're on their knees begging for my love and affection. They fantasize about me constantly. They crawl back to me, shameless and desperate. They don't care what it takes, as long as it means they get to have me. They're obsessed beyond reason. I own them, mind, body, and soul. They are mine forever. It is already done. Type, they will never stop craving me, to affirm this meditation. And if you would like help manifesting love, I can help you. All you have to do is head to joybyjanell.com and I can help you manifest whatever you would like, just like thousands of my other clients. I hope you have a day full of love and joy, and I will see you in the next meditation.